Activity 3. First part. Particles of matter are continuously moving. The first step is put an unlit incense stick in a corner of your room. One cannot smell it until it goes very nearer to it. Means when you go very nearer to the unlit incense stick, then only you can smell it. The incense stick means for the agarbatti. Then the third step is light the incense stick. The fourth step is smell of this incense stick goes far away from room even. Means now you can smell this incense stick from very far away from the room. Now observation. Number 1. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Number 2. Due to movement of particles, they intermix with particles of other matter. As here in the activity, particles of incense stick intermix with the particles of air, due to which one can smell the particles of incense stick. One can smell the incense stick. Then the third is, on lighting the incense stick, the movement of particles increases. We can say kinetic energy of particles increases. So particles of incense stick intermix with particles of air at a far distance also. So one can smell it at a distance also. Conclusion: particles of matter continuously move. Now what we have done in this activity, that the particles of matter are continuously moving, and when on heating, these particles further move with more kinetic energy, and the movements increases with the temperature. If with the increase in temperature, the movement in particles increases. And we have concluded that particles of matter continuously move.